Lee County, Florida, is sadly no stranger to hurricane fatalities. In September 2018, Hurricane Michael caused 10 deaths in the county. For instance, 3 deaths were reported in one neighborhood as a mobile home was thrown across the road. Hurricane Irma, which occurred in 2017, also brought tragedy to Lee County. 4 people were killed in the county due to the hurricane, including one man who died of carbon monoxide poisoning. In 2004, Hurricane Charley caused 6 deaths in Lee County. One of these fatalities was a man who was swept away in a river. Hurricane Jeanne in 2004 also caused 2 deaths. An elderly couple was killed when their mobile home was destroyed. The county's death toll due to Hurricane Frances was also 2 people, an elderly couple who was found dead in their flooded mobile home. In 1998, Hurricane Georges caused 1 death in Lee County, of a man who drowned in a canal. The 1992 Hurricane Andrew brought with it 4 deaths to the county, including 3 deaths in a mobile home. And in 1950, the Palm Beach Lake Okeechobee hurricane caused 9 deaths in the county. Among these fatalities were 2 teenage boys, a 5-year-old girl, and a couple who were found dead in the ruins of their home. These Lee County hurricane fatalities are a grim reminder of the devastation hurricanes can cause. Though the county is now much better prepared to handle these dangerous storms, it is important to remember the lives that have been lost. Taking safety precautions and staying informed can help reduce the tragedy of similar fatalities in the future. In Lee County, government officials have taken a number of steps to protect lives in the event of a hurricane. These measures include strengthening building codes, instructing residents on hurricane preparedness, and providing emergency shelters. Residents are also encouraged to evacuate when necessary, and to make sure they have a plan in place for staying safe during the storm. Preparations should include having emergency supplies on hand, such as water, food, and medications. It is also important to secure windows and doors, and to take steps to protect valuable items. But in spite of these efforts, hurricane fatalities will still sometimes occur. As of 2019, Lee County has seen 2 deaths due to hurricanes, and many more have been injured. While the county has seen progress in its number of fatalities, more work is needed to reduce the numbers even further. Lee County officials are continuing to invest in and develop strategies for the safety of their residents. One of these efforts is to educate people on the importance of preparation and safety.